Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this Parkside Cordless Garden Saw 20 volt, the model PASA 20LIB2. Bare unit only, battery and charger not included. You need to buy them separately. It is compatible with all batteries in the X20 volt team series. Stroke rate 0 to 2700 SPM. Stroke length 20 mm, saw blade holder 12.7 mm, max cutting capacity 90 mm in wood, for effective sawing of branches up to 90 mm. 3 years warranty, designed in Germany. This case is made with 90% recycled materials. Good for the environment. So let's open the box and find out more about this product and how we can use it. Nice case. And of course inside we're gonna find out the manual. If you want to read it, is your choice, but stay with me, you're gonna find out all about this product. Nothing else at the box. Batteries and charger are not included, but you have space to add your charger, your battery, and of course here connected at the power tool. Instructions how you can use this tool. Included at the box we have one saw blade, HCS, nice. The branch holder, you can install it without tools. And there's the tool, the on-off switch, but you need to press the safety lock out and then press the on-off switch. Otherwise it doesn't work. And from this side if you want. Ergonomic shape with comfortable soft grip features. I like that, it feels nice to my hand. And here this black, green and black, all the power tool. Keyless chuck for tool-free saw blade change. Just rotate that and insert the blade. Release, and that was all. Doesn't go anywhere. The release grip bracket here. You can install the branch holder. Just slide that here. And then just press and it will lock. That was all. And here you can adjust up and down at the same time when you are cutting the wood. And then you can just press this button, release and remove. So easy. I like it. It is small, comfortable to use. Now I will use it with the 8 Ah battery, Bluetooth battery. I have made a video about this battery. You can check this video down below in the description or after the end of this video. It is a very powerful battery. Of course you can use the 4 Ah or the 2 Ah. It will last longer the 8 Ah obviously. Nice, I like it. So let's move on to cut the wood. Seven millimeter length, it is the diameter of the wood. I like it, so fast. The branch holder, definitely it helps. It can hold the branch and you can cut the wood better. or if you want you can remove that. It is like a cordless jigsaw or a saber saw. You can see without the branch holder, the blade it goes left and right. And it cost 32 euros. Only the tool, without battery, without charger. But I'm sure you have a Parkside power tool at your home after so many years at the market. If you don't, then you need to give the minimum 25 euros for a charger and for a 2 Ah battery. It is portable, performing well, and you can use it anytime, anywhere to cut a branch and make your tree beautiful. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe my viewers, hit the notification bell and share this video, you never know who may need it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.